Where did you buy your umbrella from, Dada? You mess up your hair already, baby. Come on, let's go get your shoes. Come on. Umuulan today. Yan yung hinihintay niya eh, yung ulan. Kasi gustong-gusto niya magpayong, di ba? Ngayon umuulan na talaga. You can use the umbrella now, baby.
Where the daddy can in?
Yeah, you and Daddy can go in it. Pick up your shoes, black shoes. Dito na naman si Arlo boy. That one, yes.
And I can jump in muddy puddles.
Jump on muddy puddles?
Yeah.
Do you want to wear boots today? Actually, yeah, wear boots.
Yeah.
Hala, mag-shoes na din yung isa.
Daddy's wearing boots.
Yeah.
I'm a black boot.
No, this one, rain boots.
Rain boots. Oh, but time that for you, Mama.
I bought that for you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Sandra. Yeah.
Why me boots?
Because I love you. Yeah.
I don't have any.
Huh?
I don't have any.
You don't have any. You have one. It's beautiful, right? Now put your foot in.
Showing those boots?
Yeah. It's rain boots. Put your foot in. Come on. Yeah, sige.
Your shoes? Oh.
You're welcome, baby.
My shoes.
Fits perfectly, yeah?
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Veronica? Oh, I'm pretty sure she has boots as well. I love it! You wanna wear shoes, Arlo?
There you go.
Alright, wear shoes.
I know the fact. Take like long quickly.
You got the bags? Her bags? I love your outfit, princess. Oh, sorry, boy. Alright, come here. Shoes lang. Baby. Love you. Let's take out shoes. I know. We're going mommy's car today, okay? Mommy's car? Oh no, we need to change your clothes. Change your clothes?
No.
What no? Mickey Mouse clothes. Change clothes? This one yucky, dirty. See? Yuck. Change clothes. You know wear shoes? Sige, shoes. It's okay. It's okay. Let's wear shoes. Clothes? Mommy's car. Mommy's car. Mommy's car. Huh? We're not going in Daddy's car today. We'll see Daddy later, mate. I'm sorry. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Let's change clothes so we can go. Come on. Come on. Oh, I know. Huh? Daddy's gone. Do you want to say bye to Daddy here? Yes? Say bye to Daddy at the front? Yeah? You need to change clothes. And then we will go. Yes? Mommy's car. Right now? Mommy need to change clothes. Baby car. We don't have a car yet. Daddy's car? Yeah? Mommy needs to change clothes. Look at Mommy wearing pajamas. Change clothes? Can you help me change clothes? You help pick outfit for Mama? Yes, let's go help pick Mama outfit.
Yeah.
Oh! Say bye, Daddy. See you later. Don't be mad. Guys, 9:04. Maulan na umaga. Umuulan. Plano ko sana pumunta ng Asian shop. Tapos punta kay Nalay. Yes. Kaya lang, ang lakas ng ulan. Dilim-dilim nga eh. See, yung background ko parang gabi. Okay lang kung ako lang mag-isa. Kaya lang kasama ko si Arlo. Tapos ilabas yung pram. Umuulan. Tingnan nga natin kung hanggang kailan ang ulan. Oh my gosh. Yeah, raining. Now, hanggang 11. Mamayang 10, 14, 60% chance of rain. 45% chance of rain sa 11. Tingnan nyo yung labas. Madilim. Nakikita nyo ba yung ulan? Hindi nyo nakikita yung ulan. Ayun dun sa baba. It's raining. Yeah, no, I don't think I will go to the shops na ganyan kalakas yung ulan. Heavy rain. Sabi kasi ni Lyra, mayroon daw maasim na mangga dun. Ano, kaya ba para sa maasim na mangga? Gusto ko din kasi kumain ng kwek-kwek. Kaya ba nating ipaglaban ang cravings natin today? Parang mahirap. Meron tayong isang bulilit na kasama. Pero ang sarap magsabaw ngayon. Dan has footy tonight. So, after ko pumunta kina Lyra, diretso sa school ni Ayla because Ayla has an interview. O diba, sabi ni Lyra, hindi daw ganun kalakas yung ulan dun sa banda sa kanya. So, ipupush talaga natin yung Martins Road natin. Nakalimutan ko na yung sinasabi ko. Lumalaban talaga tong lip tint na to do. Lip tone get it tint. From Etude House ata to. Nakita ko lang din to sa bag na yung nasa baba nga sa laundry ba. Speaking of bags, let's look for bag na okay lang sa ulan. Ay, alo. Ay! Bumili pala ako ng strap. Sa cutie-cutie na bag na to. Na ganito. Wala akong strap na ganito eh. Tapos ang cute niya. Parang maikli niya. Try nga natin. Na-open ko na yan pero hindi ko pa yan na-try. Hindi ito yung gagamitin natin guys kasi umuulan. Ay, ang cute talaga niya. Mas maliit to kaysa sa Nano Speedy na nasa market ngayon. Yung nasa website. Mas maliit to guys. So, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. Vintage na to eh. Wait! Ang cute! Oh my gosh, ang cutie! Hala! Mas maganda siya kung ito talaga yung strap niya, no? Cute niya. Ay, ito yung bag natin sa Pinas. Ang cute-cute nito. Maulan na sa Pinas, no? Mapili kasi ako sa strap kasi ang ikli ko nga, diba? So, buti nakahanap ako ng maikling strap. Pero yung Nano Speedy ngayon na nasa website mismo ng LV, adjustable yung strap niya. Kaya yun, gustong-gusto ko sanang bilhin kasi sabi ko, ay, perfect sa akin yung strap kasi adjustable yung strap. Yung in-order ko nga, diba, tapos hindi naman umabot sa akin. Meant to be talaga na hindi ko yun na kuha. Kasi, ito pala, ang perfect. Ang perfect ng length. Gusto ko kasi kapag crossbody, dito siya guys, hindi siya sobrang baba. And lalo na kapag dito, Kung regular length to, sobrang baba na nito dito na to sa akin kasi apaka-ikli kong tao. So, kung maliit kayo gaya ko, check nyo yung mga pre-love. Yung mga nagla-live selling sa Japan. Ang cute nito. Mas bet ko to kaysa sa bagong Nano ngayon na available sa market. Ay! Super cutie lang niya. Itong strap na to, ang cute din niya. Maikli lang din siya. Ito yung kasama nung strap nung nabili kong pochette accessoire na nabili ko sa Japan mismo. Nung nag-Japan kami ni Dan 2019. So, napabili din ako nung pochette accessoire na yun kasi meron na siyang kasamang strap na kasya sa akin. So, yun talaga yung kahinaan ko, yung mga maiikling strap. Kaya lang yung bag or yung pouch mismo nasira. Buti na lang yung kasama niyang strap. Which is hindi ito yung original na kasama niya na strap talaga. Kasi yung pochette accessoire ganito, diba? Parang ito lang yung nilagay nila dun sa... Sira siya, guys. Nasira yung dyan. So, wala na akong pagkakabitan sa kanya. Hindi ko yun napansin nung binili ko siya. Dapat meron siyang parang ring dito kung saan ikakabit mo yung strap mismo. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Japan. Ito lang yung nag-iisang pre-love na nabili ko sa Japan. Yung isang bag na binili ko was Marc Jacobs na... Ang mahal pala dun. Sana binili ko na lang online dito. Yung all black ko na Marc Jacobs na camera bag. Pero okay lang. Memories. Dito na ako guys. Sa labas ng Asian grocery. And it's raining really hard. Can you see? The rain is heavy. Oh my goodness. Lakas ng ulan. Kung ako lang to itatakbo ko to, may jacket ako eh. Kaya lang meron tayong Arlo na tulog. Tingnan niyo natin Dudong. Sleeping. So baka ang ending natin dito is wala tayong mabili at pumunta na lang tayo kina Lyra, mag-drive na lang tayo. Sobrang lakas ng ulan guys. Hindi kaya. Yan, no. Lakas ng ulan Sis, nandun lang siya, oh. Doon lang yung Asian grocery. Update. Still raining. Arlo's awake. But he's happy. Hindi naman siya grumpy. But wala na atang pag-asang humina to, guys. Parang kakalakas niya lang dito. So, drive na lang siguro ako kinalay. Ako na talaga ang nag-drive dito. Tapos hindi ako nakabili dun. I don't want you to get wet. Baka magkasakit ka pa, boy. Yeah, let's go to Tita Lyra's house. See Elijah? Do you wanna see Elijah? Yes? You had your little nap? Was it a good nap? Walang pag-asa, guys. Lakas-lakas pa din ang ulan. Ilang minuto na ako dito. Alis na lang tayo. Ako na talaga. Pero okay lang yan. Kung hindi natin tinry, hindi natin malalaman. Pero nag-aksaya lang tayo ng oras. That's okay. Dito na kami, guys. Wala akong manggang nakuha. Hi! Dito yung friend nila.
Kape.
Drive pa ako. Drive pa ako ng malayo. Wala akong napala. Wala akong napala.
Si ano? Asay mo.
Sino?
Babae.
School.
School? School.
Ang isda.
Kalami.
Kalami. And
May ano. Ay, talaga.
munggo. Na may ano, wala ano nga ulit nilagay ko
Langka
dyan.
siya.
Langka. Iba din.
Ba to?
Ay, naku, ang sarap yan, guys.
natin to.
Ang sarap. Tapos may sauce doon sa isda. Oh, yummy. Kain. Uy!
Okay lang ka, guys?
Yes.
No. Here, boy, you want rice?
Rice boys din to eh.
Ay, ang sarap ng ito. Taga, gusto yan.
Yeah. So, yun sa kanang sis.
Iba yung ibang klase. Pag luto mo.
Ginalingan mo yan.
Hindi, kasi first time ako daw yung mag-work.
Anong tawag yun sa inyo, guys?
Ilaga.
Ilaga. Pero na siya mong gusto, no?
Yan, nain mo.
You wanna do it yourself. I'll get you a teaspoon. Can I get you a teaspoon? Mommy, get you a teaspoon. Relax ka dyan, ha? Spoon. Teaspoon. Ay!
Ano oras sa sa work?
Ito man yung in ko, pero malayo ba yan? Kasi isling
So, 1 o'clock mo umalis ka na, ganyan?
mga 1:06 kaya ang train 15 minutes pa daw dito. Mga away pa mga 10 minutes. Shake ka sa
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Hindi ako nakabili ng mangga. Tapos quail eggs. Quail eggs din sana yung plano ko eh. Kasi magkikwek si Ayla na tuloy. Si Lyra. Hindi ako nakabili, guys. Pero magkikwek pa din kami. Itlog ang gagawin.
Gawa ng paraan.
Itlog na malaki. I-ano lang. Divided by 4.
Yes.
Yes,
Narinig ko yun, Day.
Ah, sige. Gumawa na ng butter si Inday. Aray, boy! Bakit ka ng bata? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Na. So, gawa siya, guys. Push niya talaga, guys. 120 na.
Kaya nga, kaya na to. Bilis.
At least ako to. May sundo ka ba? May sundo ka, Kat?
Sunduin ka, kaya ni kaya.
Yeah, yung last punta ko dito, tulog din si Arlo sa car.
Dito ko sana ilalagay yung...
Ay, gawa na siya, sus. Buti meron ka niyan, Sunkist.
Kasi nga, talaga dahil. Bumili ako para sa quick.
What do you want? What's that?
Ano yun?
A glass?
You want a glass?
It's empty. What do you want? What do you want? Oh my gosh, I love your dimples!
Gusto niya?
Juice. Nakita yung Sunkist mo. Oh, it's Tita Lyra's juice. It's not Mommy's juice. What do you say to Tita Lyra?
Juice?
Thank you ka dyan.
Oh.
Ooh! Oh no!
Hinahanap tayong baso dyan.
What do you say to Tita Lai? What do you say to Tita Lai?
Juice.
Busog na busog ako. Sarap ng munggo.
Ang sarap ng munggo, diba?
So,
Ibang
ang sarap
munggo.
nga. Maasim-asim. Parang sinigang na munggo.
Parang sinigang
Konting
na...
asim lang.
Sinigang na ano?
Na may langka.
Na may langka.
Busog na ako. Punong-puno na yung tiyan ko. Pero nagpaluto pa ng kwek-kwek. Yeah. Tapos ngayon, ang ganda-ganda na ng weather. Oh.
Isip na weather yun.
Kaya sinayang ko talaga yung pagpunta ko dun sa Na-stranded kami ni Boy. Hindi kami makalabas. Kwek-kwek na itlog. Yummers. Thank you, Indoy. May sauce pa. May sauce.
Mabilisan. Kaya.
Oo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, kaya natin.
Tingnan, oh. O, diba? Hindi siya bilog. Pero, nasa lasa man yan, guys. Hindi ka na, Kat. Kain na tayo, Kat. Kaya nga ako. Sabi ko, punong-puno na yung tiyan ko.
No
Pero,
space for new message.
kain pa din. Thank you, guys.
Egg.
Look, egg.
O nga, quick na itlog.
Oh,
Egg.
yeah.
Gagawa ng paraan natin yan.
Yeah. Oo nga, nagawan talaga ng parami.
Egg. It's inside. Egg. Look.
Wow. Napasok tayo.
Mapasok tayo sa init, sis.
Mainit?
Buti nga hindi pugo. Kung pugo, puputok pa yung ano sa loob.
Sarap ng sauce.
Yun naman egg.
Here. Mandato sa akin sa Pilipinas talaga.
Kaya nga, sa inyo din mo dahil pagkain kasi sa kalsada lang ba?
Marami. May parisan nga daw. May parisan daw sa malapit sa bahay namin.
Sikat nga, Paris ngayon.
Ay, hot.
Ang sarap ng sauce.
Yeah, kaya nga, buyag. Ang hang pa.
Nga. Isang sili lang nilagay ko.
Isa lang. Buti yung sili mo maanghang.
Anghang.
I don't wanna touch it. It's your turn. Go touch it. Go touch it. Oh no, scary. Uwi na kami. Thank you, Inday. Thank you very much. Bahay na kami, guys. Ilang oras na nakalipas. Dumiretso kami sa school kasi nga may interview si Ayla. And magsisimula siya ng preschool, which is kindy. In July na, guys. Siya na talaga yung, magkikindi na. Pero lang yun siya, 2.5 days a week. So, yung ibang days, kung gusto namin siyang ipapasok pa, pwede pa din siya dun sa early learning, yung occasional care. Chocolate? Agoy, nakita. Here, flat tops. What do you say? We'll give some to Ate as well. Ate deserves it. Hey. Yeah. And ang ganda ng feedback ng teacher niya sa kanya. Nakikinig daw. Hindi daw pasaway. Very good. Ate, you want some chocolate? Yeah. Chocolate. Me. Because I love you. And we've got some artwork here. Wait up, boy. Ah, that's beautiful, ate. Sila nandito na, guys. Nasa labas lang tawag. May footy yun, kaya alis na yun. Oh, what did you make, baby? Oh, that's nice. I like that. Sabi niya hindi niyo daw ubos yung lang kanyang lunch. Alright, last one, Alo. Last one, ha? No more after.
One more after.
Huh? You can have one last one. Yummy? Oh, nice coloring, baby. Huh? She said she didn't finish her lunch. You can't? That's okay. Alright, obviously you ate your roll up. You want water, boy? Here. No? Okay. That's not too bad, Ate. That's alright. Yeah, that's not too bad. You didn't finish everything, but that's alright.
Thank you, Mommy. It's all ours.
It's all Arlo's. You're giving it to Arlo. There's one strawberry left and one whole apple. You didn't even have a bite.
It's apple.
Yeah, Arlo will have the apple. What do you say to Ate? Thank you, Ate. It's all Arlo's now. Oh. Daddy's going. I love the fit.
There you go.
Beautiful. You did?
Yeah.
That's good. Well done. He's going to the footy. Just needs a scarf and he's good.
I'm ready.
Ganda ng ano, diba? Kakulayan niya. Kakatapos lang namin maligo ng kids. Dumating na din yung aking takeaway. Nag-takeaway lang ako, guys. Ng nachos. Crave na naman ako ng nachos. So, pinaliguan ko na yung mga bata. Kasi antok na si Ayla. Parang matutulog na habang kumakain ng dinner. Nag-order ako sa Guzman y Gomez ng nachos. You wanna try some? Alright, careful. Oh my gosh, that looks good! Baby! Looks yummy. Kain tayo, guys. Nagpa-add ako ng extra jalapenos. Tapos naglagay din ako ng chipotle mayo. At saka sour cream. Is it your favorite? Minced beef tong kinuha ko, hindi yung beef brisket. Careful. In fairness, at nachos ko na craving, very consistent. Kasi nung nasa Pinas pa ako, yung buntis na pala ako, hindi ko lang alam. Lagi ako kumakain ng nachos doon, di ba guys? Yung local na nachos namin dito doon sa ano namin, barangay. Harap. Daddy texted. Oh, there!
I'm listening. That's Daddy.
Wow.
Huh? It's Daddy.
Daddy's asking how we are. Just got out of the shower. Now eating my dinner.
Not you. I wish
Kids had dinner before shower.
Mom, I wish.
Let's take a photo for Daddy because Daddy wants to see us. You look so pretty. Aww. We love our Daddy, don't we?
Yeah.
Bakit ako naiiyak? Sabi lang ni Dan, good job, my love. Bakit ako naiiyak doon? Ha? Buang na talaga itong mami mo, Day. Ano-ano na lang talaga.
You are in morning. It's
Ito, saan naluha ko? Parang saan akong tanga.
I'll get finger. Need the pad. Need the pad. Need the pad. Need the pad. Pad. Need the 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 pad. Daddy told me. Mom, here's his ours is footy. Here's winning. Mom, here's winning.
It's just starting now. My gosh, yung luha ko bakit tumutulo, guys? What's our song? Woo! For 1,000 years.
I not do this because I'm very sad. I'm very shy.
You're very shy?
Yeah.
You don't want to do it? Who's that? It's Charlie. Charlie Dixon. Kilala na niya yung ibang players. Ang cute-cute niya.
Charlie Dixon.
Charlie Dixon. You show me where Rosie is. If you see Rosie, let me know.
Mommy, I show you.
Mas masarap yung sa
This is
chachi.
Rosie.
Where's Rosie?